There is a long and often unfortunate human history on the island as well. In the mid-1800s, some people turned to the Farallons as a resource. These private companies would come out to the island and harvest large numbers of murre eggs to bring to market in the San Francisco Bay Area.
That population of 1 million murres was knocked down from 1 million birds to a little over 6,000 birds.
The elephant seals and the northern fur seals were extirpated due to overharvesting. Their population on the Farallons was wiped out. It had a devastating impact, obviously, on the ecosystem, and it's taken 150 years for it to begin to recover. But it is a success story now in that there's a thriving elephant seal colony here on the Farallons. There's a thriving and growing, rapidly growing northern fur seal colony here on the Farallons.